Hello, children. How are you? You might be wondering why ma'am is showing us elephant. Whenever we talk about elephant, what is the first thing जो हमारे दिमाग में आता है? Big elephant, right? Elephant is a big animal. It has big ear, it has big trunk and very long teeth, right? And if elephant matlab big animal. Now here we can see three elephant. All three are big? Yes, all three are big because elephant means big animal. Now you will say, let me take my brush. Ma'am, okay, all elephants are big, but this elephant इससे बड़ा है. ये वाला जो एलिफेंट है ना मैम, सबसे फर्स्ट जो खड़ा है वो मिडिल वाला एलिफेंट से बड़ा है और मिडिल वाला एलिफेंट एंड वाले एलिफेंट से बड़े हैं. यू आर करेक्ट. देन हाउ वी कैन से हु इज बिग? नाउ एलिफेंट इज अ बिग एनिमल. जो सबसे पीछे खड़ा है ना वो भी एक बिग एनिमल है. आपने कभी बेबी एलिफेंट देखा है? इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ बिग एनिमल. उनके सामने हम खड़े हो जाएंगे तो विल लुक लाइक दिस मच. यस. सो एवरीवन बहुत सोचा सबने व्हाट टू डू देन ओके वी फाइंड आउट अ वे. इफ आई हैव थ्री थिंग्स, जैसे मेरे पास यहाँ पे थ्री एलिफेंट है एंड थ्री आर बिग, तो बट तीनों बिग है बट वन इज very big. So how I will say among the three things here, among the three elephants, जो तीन elephants है उनके बीच सबसे जो बड़ा है that elephant will known as bigger, biggest elephant. This elephant is known biggest elephant, सबसे बड़ा elephant. इन तीनों elephant में सबसे बड़ा एलिफेंट दिस वन. नाउ द एलिफेंट विच इज स्मॉलर, विच इज छोटा है, बिगेस्ट एलिफेंट से छोटा है. देखो ये बीच वाला जो एलिफेंट है, दिस एलिफेंट इज दिस एलिफेंट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एलिफेंट. ये एलिफेंट बिगेस्ट एलिफेंट से छोटा है, राइट? और उसके ये एलिफेंट के पीछे जो एलिफेंट है बेबी एलिफेंट उससे बड़ा है. So we call this bigger elephant. What? Bigger elephant. Now then ma'am, what we will call the last elephant? It is a big elephant. Yes. When we have three things, three elephants, I will show you more things. बहुत सारी चीज़ होते हैं हमारे पास, तीन तीन है बट थ्री ऑल आर बिग. पर उसमें से सबसे जो बिग है व्हाट डज इट कॉल? बिगेस्ट. बिगेस्ट देन बिगर. बिगर बिगेस्ट से छोटा होता है. नाउ जो बिगर से छोटा होता है इट इज कॉल्ड बिग. इफ आई विल से लाइक दिस बिग, then who comes children? Bigger. Then who comes? Biggest. Okay. Now I will show you more objects, then you will understand. Okay. See here, can you see three circle? One green circle, one blue circle and one red circle. Let's see. Green circle, then blue circle, then red circle. Correct? Are all circles equal? सारे सर्कल इक्वल है? Yes or no? No. The green circle सबसे छोटा है, उससे ब्लू सर्कल थोड़ा बड़ा है और रेड सर्कल सबसे बड़ा है. तो अभी मैंने आपको आई हैव taught you just now, if there are three things and among these three things which one is सबसे बड़ा, तो what we call? We call that biggest. यहाँ पे रेड सर्कल बिगेस्ट है. देन बिगेस्ट से जो थोड़ा छोटा होता है, बिगेस्ट से छोटा, हु इज हियर बिगेस्ट से छोटा? देखो ब्लू सर्कल, सो दिस इज बिगर सर्कल। एंड बिगर सर्कल से जो छोटा होता है दैट इज बिग। हियर ग्रीन सर्कल इज बिग। बिग, बिगर, biggest. See, green circle is big, blue circle is bigger, red circle is biggest. I will show you more things. Every day we see so many things. Kabhi kabhi when after watching this video you just take out ask mama to give 3 different sizes of tomato. हम जो मार्केट से टमाटो लाते हैं ऑल आर नॉट सेम साइज, 3 different size. So then you will see among these 3 tomatoes one is biggest, one is bigger and one is big. Okay, every vegetables, even potato, onion, same thing you will observe. Now for example I have these 3 fishes. Can you see? Now let me take my brush. Which one is biggest among these 3? देखो this one सबसे बड़ा है ना fish. And which one is bigger? This one. And which one is big? This one. See, जो big है इन तीनों fish में सबसे छोटा है, जो bigger है इन 3 fishes में among these 3 fishes उसका size middle में है, मतलब वो big से बड़ा है, biggest से छोटा है. So this fish is bigger. Now who is there? Biggest. This fish is biggest. Why? The biggest fish. Why? It is, ये जो fish है ये bigger fish से बड़ा है, big fish से भी बड़ा है. तीनों fishes में she is the biggest one. Now children, as I am showing you so many things, now what you will do? You will find some object. Just now I have told you tell you a tomato. Like so many things are there. घर पे bowl होते हैं. Ask mama to give 3 different sizes bowl. Now you have to identify which bowl is biggest, which bowl is bigger and which bowl is big. ये आपको करना है. Ma'am will ask you in the class. You have to show objects. And you have to tell which one is biggest, which one is bigger and which one is big. But before that we will take our shapes, Oxford Advantage Little Champ Shapes and Colors. Okay, everyone take out this book. And okay children, before doing this page let's try this one. Circle the biggest object. Can you see? There are 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Now tell me which ball is biggest. Is the ball which is in middle. देखो सबसे बड़ा है. Similarly, there are 3 hats. 1, 2, 3. Now tell me which hat among these 3 is biggest. Is the biggest one. This one. There are 3 glass. Now can you tell me which glass is the biggest one? Now we have 3 caps. Middle one is biggest one. Why ma'am is showing you? Just now ma'am told you na, you can find out things at home and you can arrange them as big, bigger, biggest. So in this way you can arrange and practice these things. As I told you, I will ask you in the class. You have to show your objects and you have to tell me. Okay, now take your Oxford Advantage Little Champs Shapes and Colors book and open page number 38. Here what we have to do, let me read out the instruction. Color the biggest bottle. Can you see? There are 3 bottles. 1, 2, 3. Now, first what you will do? Take a pencil and circle the biggest bottle. Then start coloring. Now, I don't have pencil, so I will take different color. So among these three bottle, which one is biggest? This one. फर्स्ट सर्कल विद द पेंसिल, पेंसिल से सर्कल करो, फिर कलरिंग शुरू करो. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, color the biggest rose. Can you see there are 3 roses? You have to color the biggest rose. Again circle the biggest rose. Understood? Then start coloring. Now which one is biggest? This one, this one, this one. Yes, circle and start coloring. Now you will ask, ma'am, which color we will put in rose? Put whatever color you want. आपकी फेवरेट रोज़ की कलर कौन सी है वो डालो. एंड बॉटल ऑल्सो, यू नो यू हैव सो मेनी बॉटल, राइट? बट वेन एवर यू कलर, बिफोर दैट सर्कल द बिगेस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके? एंड एज आई सेड, आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, go and collect objects, same type, 3 type of objects, 3 objects, and compare which one is bigger, biggest. Start practicing. Ma'am will ask in the class. Now till then, bye, take care.